Buyers, are you in the market to purchase a home and need help deciding whether to buy new construction or an existing home? If so, here's what you need to know. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel Voelkers Real Estate.
As a buyer shopping in the latest housing market, you are probably navigating affordability challenges with the current rates and inventory. While the latest housing reports show an increase in inventory nationally and a little dip in rates, certain market areas are still experiencing really low inventories for existing homes. If this is the case in your area, you want to expand your pool of options by looking at new home construction. New home construction is an inventory bright spot in today's market.
According to Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, quote, "The shortage of existing homes for sale has opened the possibility of new home construction to more buyers who may not have once considered it." So, what are builders offering buyers to incentivize them to purchase new? Many builders are now offering things like mortgage rate buydowns and other perks such as closing costs or paying for upgrades. This can help offset affordability challenges and allow you to purchase your dream home. Builders have more wiggle room to negotiate these incentives than a resale owner might have. Just remember, buying from a builder is different from buying from a homeowner.
Now, you still need an experienced agent on your side to advocate for you during this whole process. Your agent will be your resource for advice on upgrades, contracts, and they'll help you get your best deal. Whether you are a first-time home buyer or you're looking for a replacement home, connect with us so that we can help you find the home that best fits your life and your budget. We'd love to hear from you so that we can help find your affordable dream home.
And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. With nearly 4 decades of experience in local residential real estate, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel Voelkers, and we love guiding you home.
We'll see you on the next video.